What's up guys, I'm Austin with WolfPac Outdoors. Welcome back. And if you're new here, tap the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can be the first to know about new content. Today, I'm installing the CBI Prinsu Tundra Crew Max roof rack. It's gonna be epic and I've been looking forward to this for a long time because there's so many amazing things that I can put up there and I can use it, especially when we have our four-wheel camper on the back of Everest. Cool, I'm getting excited, so let's get this started. Come on, let's go. Alright guys, that's as far as we can take it without having to go to the hardware store. I need to pick up some silicone for the plus nuts and the installation and drilling into the cab. Other than that, we're good to go. She's ready to be installed. Shaka roll. What up, dudes? All right, we're just about to wrap her up. Boom, that's it right there, baby. Alright guys, there you have it. The Prinsu roof rack is installed and it looks friggin' beast mode. Yeah, that was like 3 to 4 hours, so schedule your time appropriately. I still have the gutter trim to put back in, but I'm going to take care of that tomorrow. As you can see with the Safari Snorkel plus roof rack plus tray, now we're looking like a real Mad Max beast, ready to crush some trail souls. Alright guys, take care, have a wonderful weekend. I'm Austin with WolfPac Outdoors. Live unbound, always explore, family forever. Later.